Our MPS7000 PLC application training equipment is an educational equipment that designed for teaching PLC ladder programming, pneumatic control, and automation control system. The MPS7000 offers easy understanding of operating each kind of industrial transferring methods, which is included with cylinder insert, belt conveyor, BMP, screw gear, vacuum and gear transport module. Another excellent key feature of the MPS7000 is the detachable modules that can be moved independently. For those who frequently work with different operating modules, critical sizes, and consequently need to change positions regularly, you will appreciate the lightning speed at which this can be achieved with the detachable module system. Each modules can be changed easily and quickly, and you can continue experimenting the equipment with maximum flexibility by varying positions of each module. Each modules can be located independently for separate education and also can be fixed in full circulation mode, providing continuous progress without necessary to relocating the material. The MPS7000 can be operated in both manual switches as well as PLC module and are provided with separate portable boxes. Each module is made of quality aluminum and can be either disassembled, assembled easily with minimum tools. An assembly sequence guide is already included in the operating guidebook. The PLC module of MPS7000 uses Melsec PLC system, but you can also use other PLC modules by using portable adapter and cable which is included in the product. Another key feature of the MPS7000 is the virtual machine simulator. With this software, experiment of various automation components can be achieved without need to purchase or operating actual machines. The full component of MPS7000 includes the base components, PLC module, switch and relay module, connector wires, portable adapter, air compressor, pneumatic hose, simulation software, user guidebook, and user training program. The MPS7000 also includes high compatibility with other control systems, such as with sequence control equipment, other PLC modules, and various automation training devices. With combination of this equipment, various types of automation training laboratory can be organized, which includes educational laboratory of mechatronics, PLC, sequence, and hydraulic pneumatic control systems.